Hello, in this video I will show you how you can pair your Kygo earbuds with your Windows PC. First of all, you have to remove these earbuds from the case. After a few seconds, they will move to the pairing mode, and one of this indicator starts blinking blue and red. This one. Put it close to your laptop and open the Bluetooth settings. So go for the start, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on with the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. Now just wait until they appears on the list. Select them. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.